Sarah. So one of the things we get asked quite often is the different products that we provide. So we've got the chrome finish 4-in-1 tap, but we've also got a signature range which are done in stainless steel.
Okay, they're no different inside, just the look we're talking about.
It's aesthetic, yeah, exactly. So the inner workings are identical, they perform the same functions, they're all 4-in-1 taps doing the same job. It's just that we've got different materials for the signature range and slightly different styles as well.
So to match your kitchen really, whatever your taste preferences or your aesthetic in your kitchen, they're kind of geared towards matching, you know, your particular taste.
That's right, you want things to coordinate as much as you can.
Absolutely.
Really, so we've got a bit of a choice here so people can make that decision.
So should we unveil?
Yes, go for it, you go first.
Okay, so what do I have here, Dan?
So you've got the signature classic, so this is our marine grade stainless steel.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so get the hoses here. There's your
Yeah.
hoses for the water feed.
Yeah. I like this detail here. If you had like a butler sink, this would match in really well. If you've gone for a traditional style kitchen,
Yeah, a sink
this would
like
match
this
in.
would suit that tap really well,
Yeah.
so that would be an easy decision.
And this is more of a matte finish, whereas that's chrome. This is stainless steel, isn't it?
That's true. So one of the biggest differences is the finish in terms of how bright it is. So with a polished chrome tap, you can see your reflection in it, but with the machined stainless steel, it's more matte. You don't get that glare from it, but it's still quite bright and clean.
Yeah, it's got quite a classy look to it as well, hasn't it?
Yeah. So you've got these ceramic levers. That's a design difference on these taps.
Okay.
There's a few more curves than the tap I'm going to show you. The
Yeah,
modern.
around here. And wider at the bottom slightly, isn't it, as well?
Yeah, you've got a flaring at the bottom of the body, which is echoed at the end of the spout. If you show the tip of the spout, you've got that flaring there also.
That's lovely, that's really nice. And obviously we were saying earlier, if you've got some baby oil to keep this shiny, that's a good tip for these taps as well. And is it UK made like everything else you do?
Yeah, designed and built in the UK for marine grade stainless steel, so really high-end product.
So it's high quality. Wonderful.
Very good. And I've got the modern, which is the other design we
Oh,
have.
okay, let's take a look at that.
Okay. So the modern is a more contemporary design.
Yeah, hence the name modern. It's very sleek, isn't it?
Exactly. So you've got the steel levers here with the knurling. Okay,
That's
so
a
there's
lovely
nice design
detail on there.
Yeah, that feels really good, nice and sharp there. And that's echoed on the boiling and filtered handle as well.
Okay, so it matches in, that ties in really well, doesn't it?
Yeah, and then on the body, the sides are straighter. You've got nice straight edges there, and just a standard swan neck
So
spout.
a more simplistic look, but still the great stainless steel finish.
Still the same stainless steel, and it looks fantastic. It really, when you open the bag here, it really hits you that you're buying something very, very well made.
It feels like a quality product and it looks like one.
Got a good heft to it.
It does.
Yeah.